Hi everyone, this is Alex from Luminis Films. In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure your windows so you receive your films in the right dimensions. Before starting, I'm going to check that my film matches the desired dimensions. First, to measure, we're going to use a tape measure and not a ruler. It's much more accurate. For the measurements, if I'm applying the film on the outside, I'll measure the outside of my glazing. If I'm applying it on the inside, I'll measure the inside of my glazing. Now, I'm going to measure the clear glass area, meaning the transparent part of my glazing without the seals. For the width, I'll measure twice, at the top and at the bottom, and I'll keep the largest measurement. And for the height, I'll also measure twice, on the left and on the right, and I'll keep my largest measurement. Be careful, you really need to measure each pane because the glass panes aren't necessarily all the same size. One last thing, at Luminis we offer custom cutting. For this, I'll subtract 2 mm from my measurements to avoid problems when the seals expand. That's it. Now you know how to order your films in the right dimensions. For more tips, find us at luminisfilms.com.